To complete this assembly, you will need a 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch deep socket and a ratchet or a battery impact wrench. Using 2 people, gently insert the upper assembly into the legs attached to the base until the cross member stops the legs from going any further. Ensure the metal spacers are aligned with the 2 top holes. Add bolts and tighten. Place the removable tool tray where you desire. Plug in the lift. Holding the black safety switch, lower the lift to the bottom position. While holding the 7G, have someone plug in the integrated outlet and ensure the cables stay safely tucked behind the oven, avoiding any fans or moving parts. Ensure the oven sits in between all the black mounting brackets. If you have any assembly or operating questions, please reach out to the Hotshot support team.